Merlin here. Well, it's that time. We're installing the skirt. We'd bought the new skirt from Slipstream, and this is the first segment positioned. And what we're going to do is we're going to do something a little different than what the most hovercrafts have. Most of them have little clips that hold the skirt on with a rubber trim, and we don't really like that, so we're doing the same way we did my old Hoverstar. We're putting an aluminum strip around it and sandwiching the skirt in between the aluminum strip, and that's how we're going to go along, and we'll actually overlap the segments as it goes along, and that should work out pretty nice. So you can see we've got our bends made, and then we'll form this section here as we go along. But this is the start. Here's all the new skirt segments from Slipstream. They're folded up, so you have to flip them inside out to be in the right position to install them. So each one we'll go through and flip it through and get it the right position. And what we're going to do is to hold the strips, we're going to drill holes and use these little stainless steel screws and Teflon nylon nylocks, and they're stainless steel. And what we're going to do is, as we go along, when we drill our holes, we're also going to countersink the hole so the head will fit nice and flush into the aluminum there. So anyway, we're getting started, and as we go along, we'll update you later on today of how it comes out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.